Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about the top 3 phone apps that I use for the trading. Which help me to do trading more smoothly, okay? So in this video I'll be not just talking about the trading platform app which I use like Zerodha Kite or whichever trading platform app you're using. It's not about that. It's about the other apps what I use, okay? I'll be talking about a top 3 trading apps which I use which will help me in the trading, okay? So before that, if you're a new visitor to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be able for your trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also, you can visit my blogspot, that's trading0.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video, so you guys can visit this link to know more about my additional services what I provide. I do provide MCX and NSE trading course, so all the details have been mentioned here. And also you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course and earning proof by my client after taking the course, okay? So here you can see all the earning proof, how my clients are earning after taking my course. Okay, so 5 of my clients has won the Zerodha 60 days challenge, so all the certificate has been displayed here. You can see everything here, and also you can see the ledger proof how consistently they are earning. If you're a new to a market, if you're a beginner, and if you're unable to make profit regularly, you can join us. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen and take my courses. My course prices are very reasonable and less priced, and everyone can afford it, okay? So you can see all the proofs here with the ledger and see how consistently they are earning. So everything is updated here, so you can just check all the things. And these are the 60 days challenge one certificate clients photos, okay? All the certificate has been put here, so you can check all the earning proof here by visiting my blogspot link. And also you can see feedback from my client after taking the course, okay? You can check all the things. If you're interested to earn like this, if you want to be a part of people who are making consistent profit, you can join us and earn today like this. So these are the feedback from my client after taking the course. So every person's message have been put up here, so you can just visit this and check this out. And also we have got a new feedback, so I'll update it soon. So just I updated few now. So someone has said like they recently made up a 20,000 rupees intended to hold as 35 rupees capital. And also you can see here one of my client has recovered 60% of the loss after taking my course, which he had a more losses, okay? So hoping everyone will recover their losses and be in a profit zone, okay? So you can see all of this feedback, everything. And if you're interested, you can join us to earn consistently. So now let's get to the topic, the top 3 apps which I use, and I'll be sharing you the reason why I use, for what purpose I use, okay? So friend, these are the 3 main apps which I use for smoothing my intraday trading. That is Money Control, ET Now, and Investing. So these 3 apps are free in the Play Store. I know most of you guys use it, but even for the people who don't know, I'm just telling for them, okay? So I'll tell you the uses for the all these apps what I use. And the Kite app is because I use Zerodha, so I just use Kite for that, for placing my orders. So even if you're using any trading platform, you will have your own desired app, so you can use that. So I'm not considering that app for that list, okay? So these are top 3 apps, that is Money Control, ET, and Investing. So now let me tell you why I use the Money Control much, okay? So the Money Control, why I use it, because I use this app to see the top gainer and top loser at the instant time in the morning. So I can just go here and click on markets, and you can see the market movers here. You can see top gainer, top loser, and also you can see active by value, active by volume, and 52-week high and 52-week low, and only buyers, only sellers, all these options are there. But I most of the time use top gainer, top loser, and active by volume, okay? So or the value. So these are the 4 things what I use eventually. So that's why I use this app very much, that is Money Control. You may say that in NSE website also in the top gainer and top loser will be displayed, but Money Control updates it soon. The top gainer or top loser will be updated soon in Money Control when compared to NSE website. NSE website takes almost 1.5 to 2 minutes lag to update the top gainer or the top loser, what I have observed. So this is why I use mainly the Money Control much for seeing this, okay? And now comes the second app, that is Investing, okay? So Investing, why I use Investing, because it's good at technicals. I'll show you now, okay? So it's also good at seeing the chat. Like I like this app for seeing the chat, so let me just quickly open You can just search any of the stock. Even this app also gives you news, indices stuff, and all the things. Also international market update, everything will be given here. So now let me just show you what I use it for. So let me just quickly search any stock. So okay, let me search Indalco only. So what I can do with this is I can see the technicals, like where the support and resistance, where's the pivot points, and how's the moving average. So everything I can see in an instant. For example, if I'm away from my system, or if my internet is too slow to load up the big charts, so I can just hit up this app and search my for my stock and see all the technicals here, and also the news and stuff of that particular stock if I wanted to see. And here is everything which is mentioned here. Okay, so all the technical analysis like ATR, ADX, CCI, everything index, I mean every technical chart, the value it will be shown. And also you can see it in a different time frame, that is hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and everything. And that will suggest you a summary of the stock, which side it is in, so you can use that. Okay, so this is how it looks. And also you can see the chart in this. If you just keep the phone in landscape, it will automatically give me the chart. So this is also something useful for me, so that's why I use the investing app. And the third app is ET Now, because I use this app to see the news sometimes, which I don't always use it, but sometimes almost like 40 to 50% of the time in a day I use this app to see some news which I'm trading. Because if a market crashes or something, any news coming out of the stock or something, I just keep this app, because this app is very good in delivering news at a very fast. So this app delivers the news at a very fast time when compared to the other apps. So that's why I like these three apps much, that is ET Now, Money Control, and Investing. Even you can use it now in the way I use it if you're interested. So this is the knowledge what I want to give in this video, guys. Do give a like for this video if you liked it, and if you learned it something, and do subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategy which I'll be spreading every day. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next one.